Well, from World of Concrete 2016, there's nobody better than to talk about concrete than a concrete guy and a contractor, Steve Lloyd. How are you?
How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well.
Good
We've
for you.
just been, let's say, BSing, as you will, about concrete and the business and legacy and everything else, but you're bringing a different aspect to the show this year, and that is to discuss a new technical committee.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the reasons behind this and why it's necessary at this stage of the game.
Well, I'll tell you, I've been in the business 43 years. This is the first concrete finishers committee that I know of in 43 years. It's very, very important because we have so many challenges during the day. A lot of times we get busted for things that we do wrong that are really not our fault. So we can address these problems with these committees.
So this is going to be an issue-oriented thing that ASCC is bringing on board to address ongoing issues
Yes.
that the guys are bringing forward.
Yes, yes.
And what, can you talk to us on point about what might be some issues, specific issues that you're going to try to address?
Well, I think that we have a lot of issues. In my opinion, the main issue is mixed designs. We get mixed designs that are different, and we get different admixtures put into this concrete, and we get things that are really unachievable for us to do, or they're very difficult. And then if you have a FF and FL number on that floor, you're subject to fail, and then it costs us as a contractor.
I understand completely. Now, you're talking about basically reinventing the watch to a certain degree. And what do you hope to achieve once you get this? You're going to write technical aspects for some of this?
I think we are going to do both. The key is reaching the right people, the AIA, the engineers, the architects.
Yes.
We have got to get to those when they write that spec. So are we going to reinvent the watch? Probably a little more than that. So it's very difficult to get things moved along quickly, but I think it's going to work. And I think we got we got ACI involved, ASCC. I think we're going to be good.
All right, let me see. What will this bring to the ASCC itself?
Well, I think
at least in your opinion.
I just think with the finishers video, it's showing, hey guys, we respect you at doing that job. A lot of times finishers don't get that respect. People think anybody can do that, and they really can't. And I'm proud of the guys that are finishers. I'm a finisher for 43 years, so I'm proud of these guys that go ahead and do this every day.
So it's bringing, and hopefully at some point you might bring guys into line a little bit, those that are outside the boundaries now that are trying to do things that really maybe are over the line.
Well, yes, and it's not just AI and engineers. Our finishers have to get on board with that too.
Exactly.
So everybody's got to do their part to be better craftsmen and do a better job for the owners.
And it brings a certain degree of professionalism
Yes.
to that segment of the industry.
That's why we have our certification. Very professional.
So you'll be publicizing this obviously through our site and
Yes,
others
sir.
as well. And when do you hope to have this all completed?
Well, we had our inaugural meeting this week at World of Concrete. We had a room full of people.
Wow.
So everybody's excited about it, and I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, we're going to continue the next meeting in St. Louis in May at ASCC, and we'll have several meetings, but we're just back and forth talking about it. It's the talk of the industry right now.
Well, please keep us informed of your progress as we go forward so that we can help you, get the message out on our various publications and websites and get more and more people involved.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much.
Steve Lloyd,
you have a great day.
ASCC, you
and
too.
you
and
behave while you're here.
Oh, I'm too old for that. From World of Concrete 2016.
Thanks. Okay.